Oh guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Software Genius. I am your host Arslan Qureshi, and in this video we will solve the iPhone 6 sound problem. You will see that how it works and how can you solve the sound problem. First of all, go to the mobile and open the camera. And now you should go to the video and record the sound.
हेलो आज अभी हम
As you can see, sound is recorded. Now just check it.
करेंगे और साउंड चले जाएंगे। ये देखिए साउंड
And you can, as you see, that sound is not working, so we go and now we audio recording, we go to setting and audio recording
ट्राई करके
and we record something.
ये देखिए ये फिल्म देखिए ये हो रहा है। अच्छा तो अभी इसको चलाते हैं।
Now
इसमें ट्राई करके
as you see that now this is not working, so here's the trick how to solve this. Go to the settings, scroll down, and here's the option of general. Click here, scroll down. Here you see the option of accessibility. Click here, scroll down, and here you see the mono audio. Turn on it, and you see phone noise cancellation. Turn on it also, and now just do like this. Go to the back. Now we check our setting has been done. Now we will check it works or not. As you can see, this work sound is coming. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel also. Goodbye.